As expected, the really nice weather we had over the weekend has gone away. Today, certainly a bit cooler, some showers out there, and a bit on the breezy side. Well, unfortunately, we have even more wind on the way the next couple of days. We'll see wind gusts as high as 40, maybe 50 miles per hour. So if you thought it was kind of windy recently, well, it's going to be even stronger in the wind department here. And starting Wednesday, even cooler. Temperatures for a lot of us will only be in the 40s. That will be our highs for Wednesday. So that'll be one of the coolest days. Of course, at night, we're going to get pretty cold. We're talking freezing temperatures starting tomorrow night. Cold enough for snow in the mountains tomorrow night into Wednesday. So there you go. I think right now we're A-OK, at least in the Snake River Plain as far as snow. We're still seeing some leftover showers, moisture dropping down from Montana, making a beeline for northern Utah. So if you're traveling I-15 tonight, from Pocatello all the way down to Salt Lake, you'll be going into that. The reason why we're getting this moisture coming down from the north, area of low pressure, counterclockwise motion, it will continue to wobble into eastern Colorado and eventually into Kansas overnight tomorrow morning, taking with it all this moisture here in East Idaho. So tomorrow will be a dry day. Then we got the wind kicking in as this cold front gets a bit closer to East Idaho during the day. It passes on through late tomorrow night into Wednesday. So Wednesday may actually be a bit windier than tomorrow, as if tomorrow's not going to be windy enough. So we got a lot of wind to talk about in the next couple of days. And it will be cold enough moisture in the mountains. We'll probably see some snow out of it late tomorrow night into Wednesday, and temperatures will be below average for a change, at least for a day or two. So tonight we'll be above average, a low of 40 in Pocatello. Overnight we'll call it partly cloudy, a little bit on the breezy side, winds 10 to 15. Idaho Falls tonight, just 1 degree cooler. You're at 39 with a partly cloudy sky as well. Wind won't be quite as strong as Pocatello, which is sometimes the case. Southwest wind 5 to 10. Then the winds ramp up a bit tomorrow. Sustained wind speeds 20 to 30, but at least it'll hit 60 in the afternoon. May not feel like it with all that wind, especially in the afternoon. And we'll get a nice mix of clouds and sunshine. Same thing for Pocatello. You'll see a little more blue in the sky than you saw today. There's the sustained wind speeds. Could see gusts over 40 miles per hour. And tomorrow's temperature map around the area, Blackfoot almost 60 for high in Rexburg, certainly a bit cooler in Island Park, high temperature there 47. Travel tracker looking pretty dry pretty much all over the place. Partly sunny up in Salmon, nice mix of clouds and sunshine in Sun Valley. Boise, partly sunny with a high of 60. Salt Lake City will be in the mid-60s with a mostly sunny sky. Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast looking ahead. More wind and cooler, barely 50. That's it for good on Wednesday. Then we start warming up again. Look at the weekend. Okay, that's what we want. Another nice weekend. Maybe not as warm as the one we just had. No 70s expected, but we're looking at highs in the 60s. Until then, we just got to get through a couple of very windy days, especially Wednesday. Rexburg, a few cold nights ahead after Wednesday. In fact, Wednesday night, Thursday morning, down to the mid-20s. Blackfoot will be down in the mid-20s. And then we'll stay a little bit warmer at night this weekend, Saturday night, Sunday morning, a low of 39. Teton area, there's that mountain snow I was talking about on Wednesday. And then we start warming up. We'll see a little more sunshine mixed with clouds into the weekend. Central mountains, rain and snow possible on Wednesday. And then the 60s return just in time for the weekend.